Rubbish that, Rob. You've got their attention. Yours, lovely people on board. This is for you. Okay, Rob, back of the net. That means go.
Exits and walkways must be kept clear at all times. Baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead compartments or under the seats in front of you.
So you heard him, move it!
In-flight entertainment monitors should be folded away.
That's it, find the space! Sort it through, close it down! Shimmy to the left, shimmy to the...
Still got it? Thank you.
All done. Continue, Rob.
Sorry. Continue, Rob.
Please fasten your seatbelt for takeoff and landing. Insert the metal edge into the buckle until it clicks. And to adjust, pull the strap to tighten the belt. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart.
Now remember, when the seatbelt sign is illuminated, you must, and I repeat must, remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened.
If you plan to sleep during the flight, please keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to cabin crew.
Offside? No way around. See? Should have been wearing a seatbelt. What are you lot doing? Seriously, Rob, get a grip.
For safety reasons, with the exception of handheld PEDs in flight mode, the use of electronic devices is not permitted for takeoff and landing. Such devices must remain switched off until advised by cabin crew. Please remove all devices from charging ports for takeoff and landing. If you drop your personal electronic device inside your seat, please do not operate the seat controls. Instead, contact a member of cabin crew for assistance.
Thank you, Rob. So, what's next?
Emergency exit.
Come on, lads. Gather round.
Please take a moment to locate the emergency exits near your seat. Emergency exits are clearly marked and located as shown. Step-up lighting will guide you to the emergency exit. In case of emergency landing on water, evacuation slides will serve as right. And please remember to remove all high heel shoes before using the slide and leave all hand baggage behind.
Perhaps you should just talk us through the smoking bit, Rob.
We operate a non-smoking policy at all times on board all our aircraft, including electronic smoking devices. Smoking in the toilet will activate a smoke alarm. Smoking on board the aircraft and tampering with the smoke detectors are criminal offences punishable by law.
Careful opening that overhead lock, I think might fall out. Brace position. Don't move, lads.
In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the appropriate brace position.
War. Now imagine these are seats in front of you. Then you perform this brace position. Ah, it's a really good atmosphere in here, guys. Why is that, Rob?
That's because the cabin environment's carefully controlled, coach.
Tell them.
But if oxygen is required, masks will appear from above you. Or you may be required to release the mask by pulling on the coloured flag marked pull. Pulling the mask towards you will activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the back to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitted correctly, then you may assist others.
So, your life jacket is either beside you, next to you, or underneath your seat. Lewandowski, come and join me.
When instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket after leaving the aircraft by pulling the two red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. The life jacket has a whistle to attract attention and a light that will automatically illuminate when in water. Infant life jackets will be distributed by cabin crew.
Rob, you better run the phone when I get this one sorted out.
To help with final preparations for takeoff, please ensure your seat is in the fully upright position. Your window blind is up, your tray table is folded up, and your seatbelt is fastened.
You've seen the film, now read the card. You'll find it in the seat pocket. It shows in detail each of the safety aspects of this aircraft. If you have any questions, the cabin crew will be happy to help. And now you can enjoy that blockbuster you picked out with 4,000 plus entertainment options on your Oryx One.